how to hide a page from navigation in Squarespace. I'm going to show you two methods. So for the first one, I'm on the dashboard here. I've clicked on website, which has loaded up my Squarespace website. Now the first method, like I said, we want to click on website here from the left hand side. And if you want this page to still be accessible, but just hide it from the navigation, then what you can do is just left click on it and drag it to the not linked section here. Once we have pasted it here, as you can see, it will disappear. However, this page will still exist. Now that was the first method. If you want to completely disable a page from Squarespace, then we will click on this cogwheel here, and then we will simply uncheck enable page like so, and this will completely hide or disable the page itself, but I recommend using the previous method. So I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.